Welcome back, my lovely ones. Whenever you see this kind of question, do not be afraid of it. They are very, very simple, okay? Let us solve together. Now we are asked if 125 raised to the power of x minus 1 equals to 25 raised to the power of x plus 3. Find the value of x. Now, how do we get started with this? What we are going to do first of all this kind of question ending with 5, that the base is ending with 5, you are going to put them in what? In an index of 5. Okay, now this one 125 can be written as what? 5 to the power of 3, right? Then already we have x minus 1, then equals to 25 can be written as 5 to the power of 2. Then already we have x plus 3. Now what do? We can now see that the base are what? Are equal, then the powers are different. We can equate the power. By equating the power, we are keeping this base outside. Now, keeping this base aside, we'll be left with what? The power, which is 3 times what? X minus 1, close the bracket, equals 2 times x plus 3, close the bracket. Now, let us open this bracket. We use this 3 to open this bracket. So, 3 times x give us 3x. Then minus 3 times 1 give us 3, equals 2 times x give us what? 2x. Then plus 2 times 3 give us 6. Now, what do? Let us collect like term. Collect our like term. Now, collecting like term, we have 3x over here. So, when this comes here, it becomes minus 2x. Okay? Then equals to 6. When this comes here, the sign changes to minus 3. So, we have 3x minus 2x give us x, equals to 6 minus 3 give us 3. So, our value for x is 3. You can substitute the value for this and you still get the same answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share. Bye.